Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to use camera roll to send snap. Snapchat is one of the most popular multimedia messaging apps. It enables users to share personalized images and videos utilizing its engaging user interface and robust editing features. But people can occasionally question how to share a video from the camera roll as a snap though. Let me show you how to do it. So launch your Snapchat, go to your chat box, and then I'm going to show you an example. If I'm going to pick a friend and I'm going to send a picture from a gallery and I send it directly, when my friend receive this picture or video, she will receive it as new chat and not as new snap. As you can see here, Jenna Lopez sent a new chat. So now the question is how to use camera roll to send a snap and not as a new chat. I'm going to show you how. So let's just say I am going to send a picture to Shadow and I am Jenny Lopez. So all I have to do is to click her name and then click gallery, send this picture again, click this pencil icon. After that, click this scissors icon here. Now, once you click this one, all you have to do is to click draw. Next is you need to color your picture or your snap. And then once you're done coloring your picture, then all you have to do is to click done. Then tap this sticker icon here, and that would be your snap. Click send. And then here, all you have to do is to just disregard this one. Now, once done, you can now go back and click this camera icon here. Okay, then take a snap, just a quick one. And then after that, click the sticker icon, click the scissors here, and then all you have to do is to click this picture and then adjust the picture. Like if you want to make the picture bigger, you can just drag or adjust this one. And then once done, you can now tap next and then send a snap to your friend Shadow. Now let's try to open Shadow's account. Let's see if the message will appear as send a snap and not send as chat. Let's see. And here it is. As you can see, Jenny Lopez sent a new snap. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.